Here comes your pre-market summary for Tuesday, December 13th. It's CPI day. Get ready. Coming up here in about 30 minutes, we're going to get the final reading on CPI for this year. Obviously, the December number going to come in the following month once we get into 2023. But all eyes and all ears going to be on this number at 8:30 this morning. Here's how the futures stand right now, heading towards it. 0.65 for the S&P, 0.62 there for the Dow, 0.7 for the NASDAQ. Positive top to bottom, which is good to see finally. Crude oil, extending that gain we saw yesterday, 1.5, 1.12 there for Bitcoin. And Ethereum, all about this CPI number, going to be the final piece of information the Fed will have to consider as well before making its decision coming up on Wednesday afternoon. Still looking like, all signs pointing to anyways, a 50 basis point increase to come. We're going to have a look at big tech today. Going to be important for some of these to take the lead once we get this number, whether it be up or down. We'll have a look at obviously all of these, but Microsoft with the big news yesterday involving the LSE. Apple back on watch today as well after a nice green day, back to the upside, still chopping around in this overall range. A few other things to take note of. Pinterest, Piper Sandler with an upgrade on pins. Not a lot of volume though. PayPal rises. Piper Sandler beginning coverage at neutral. That's higher for them on PayPal as well. So we'll have a look at those two. Qualcomm was a bit of a mover, downgraded by Wells Fargo today. Some of the chips under a little bit of pressure as a result. AMD included in that, although they are higher in pre-market trading this morning. Oracle, we mentioned right at the end of the day yesterday, they reported better than expected results. Their fourth quarter as well, looking pretty good as far as the forecast is concerned. UAL picking up 200, or the potential for 200 wide-body 787 Dreamliner planes from Boeing. Remember, on top of two additional contracts that we talked about yesterday. So Boeing back higher again this morning. And a really cool story from Moderna and Merck teaming up on this cancer MRNA vaccine that produced some positive data in a trial. So Moderna back up about 7% here pre-market. Big day to come, guys. Grab the watch list. We'll join you a little bit early this morning. Remember, 8:25, we're live ahead of CPI at 8:30 on TraderTV.Live.